Welcome to Make Me Smart with Baraka Shigongo.
Hello guys, welcome back to Make Me Smart. In our first episode in Make Me Smart, we're going to learn about the nervous system. First of all, what is the nervous system? Nervous system is a system of nerves and fibers that send impulses from the brain to the parts of the body and from the parts of the body back to the brain. This is the nervous system division. The nervous system is firstly divided into two parts. We're going to talk about firstly the central nervous system. Central nervous system is a system that consists of the brain and spinal cord. The brain is an organ that controls all the body's action and movement and how the heart beats or how the body works. The spinal cord is a long cord that passes through the middle of your back that sends messages from the brain to the other parts of the body. It helps the brain send information from itself to the other parts of the body. Then we're going to talk about the other side called the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is firstly branched into the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is a nervous system that is associated with a voluntary body control. That means the somatic nervous system is a nervous system that depends on your decision. You can decide whether to walk away or talk to someone. So that is the somatic nervous system. It's under your control. The autonomic nervous system is the control system that works unconsciously. That means you can use the autonomic nervous system without even noticing it. You can do something without even deciding to do it. You just do it all of a sudden. That is called unconsciously. You do it without expecting or deciding. The autonomic nervous system is divided into the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is a system that directs the body's rapid involuntary response to danger or stress. That means it directs you if you get response to stress or if something dangerous happens. That means your sympathetic nervous system is under control of your body and it tells you whether to run, whether to fight that danger, or whether to remain in the same place. The parasympathetic nervous system is a nervous system that conserves energy as it slows down the heart rate, increases intestinal and gland activity. That means your intestines and gland activity is controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. That means if your glands and your intestines, how they work, is all controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. And it can also, it's in charge of increasing or slowing down the heart rate and increasing the intestinal and gland activity. So this is how the nervous system branches. So all of this stuff are under control of the brain. So this central nervous system is the center of the whole nervous system. It is the center. Now the peripheral nervous system is the one which branches. My spinal cord is in the middle of me right here. That is the central nervous system of my brain. The peripheral nervous system are the side ones, which goes to my hands, which goes down to my feet, and to the other sides or the other places of my body that my spinal cord itself cannot reach. So the peripheral nervous system, the central nervous system depends on the peripheral nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system depends on the central nervous system. So they depend on each other to form the nervous system, which can control your whole body, and that's how it works. Thank you.
You can also follow him on his social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Baraka Shigongo, Baraka Shigongo.